Welcome back to our channel, ladies. Today we have an exciting topic that many of you will find interesting. How to make a guy chase you. Whether you are looking to spark some interest or maintain a healthy level of attraction, we have got you covered. In this video, we will reveal some valuable tips and tricks to help you make that special someone chase after you. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Number 1. Confidence is key. Ladies, confidence is an absolute game changer when it comes to attracting someone. Believe in yourself, embrace your uniqueness, and let your inner confidence shine. It's essential to exude positivity and self-assurance, as this will naturally draw others towards you. Number 2. Be mysterious and independent. One of the secrets to making a guy chase you is to maintain an air of mystery. Don't reveal everything about yourself right away. Keep him guessing and intrigued. Additionally, it's important to cultivate your independence. Pursue your passions, maintain a busy schedule, and show him that you have a fulfilling life beyond your romantic interests. Number 3. Flirt and create tension. Flirting is a powerful tool in the art of attraction. Playfully tease him, maintain eye contact, and give him genuine compliments. Creating tension by mixing hot and cold behaviors can ignite sparks and make him crave your attention even more. However, be mindful not to overdo it. Finding the right balance is key. Number 4. Have your own standards. A confident woman with clear standards is incredibly attractive to men. Don't be afraid to set boundaries and communicate your expectations. Show him that you value yourself and won't settle for anything less than you deserve. This will pique his interest and make him work harder to win you over. Number 5. Let him initiate. It's important to give him the opportunity to pursue you. Instead of always taking the lead, let him initiate plans and conversations. This allows him to feel a sense of accomplishment and strengthens his desire to chase after you. Remember, creating a healthy balance of give and take is crucial. Number 6. Be supportive and show interest. When a guy sees that you genuinely care about his goals and dreams, it becomes a strong motivator for him to chase you. Take an interest in his hobbies, listen attentively, and offer support and encouragement. This will make him feel valued and appreciated, creating a deeper connection. Number 7. Take care of yourself. Taking care of yourself physically, emotionally, and mentally is essential. Maintain a healthy lifestyle, dress in a way that makes you feel confident, and prioritize self-care. When you radiate positivity and self-love, others will naturally be drawn to your energy. And there you have it, ladies, the ultimate guide to making a guy chase you. Remember, these tips are meant to enhance the initial stages of attraction and help foster a healthy dynamic between you and your potential partner. Be authentic, have fun, and always trust your instincts. Thank you for watching. It was super fun to make this video. If you have something to add, please leave a comment down below. And if you find this video helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing.